Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hey, good morning everyone. Just have a little chat about memberships. If you want to be a member, you can either support the channel, which is most appreciated, or you can go up to tier 2 and you'll get a visit from me every day to see if you've got any new videos. And tier 3 and 4, tier 3 you get your playlist played on the weekend, and then obviously tier 4 you'd get everything that you've got played over the weekend, and then obviously the watch history will be cleared, and then we start again. So I can do it. It helps you with your views, or if you're trying to get monetized, help you with your watch hours. And yeah, so if you want to become a member, feel free, and you will be getting something for it, and that is really annoying. So let's go and do some cooking. That'd be the timer then. Well, oh my god. So we're going to eat this, obviously. So, just a little quick one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you later guys, bye.